GuliKit TT Max and TT Pro wireless controllers with tension-adjustable TMR joysticks. The GuliKit TT Max TT Pro controller is a premium, multi-platform gaming controller engineered for precision, durability, and advanced customization. Designed to meet the demands of competitive and enthusiast gamers, it combines cutting-edge joystick technology with ultra-low latency wireless performance. Key features: the controller is equipped with TMR tunnel magneto-resistance magnetic joysticks, offering drift-free operation, exceptional accuracy, and long-term reliability. These joysticks support 720-degree rotation with adjustable tension, allowing users to fine-tune resistance based on personal preference and gameplay style. A smooth joystick support structure further enhances control and responsiveness. GuliKit's Hyperlink 2 wireless technology delivers ultra-low latency performance, ensuring fast and stable input response across supported platforms. The controller also supports Switch and Switch 2 wake-up functionality, enabling seamless console activation without cables. Platform compatibility: the TT Maxi TT Pro controller is compatible with a wide range of devices, including Nintendo Switch and Switch 2, Windows PC, Android, and iOS, making it a versatile solution for multi-platform gamers. Advanced controls and customization depending on the model. The controller supports Hall effect analog triggers and digital microswitch triggers, offering flexibility for different game genres. Additional features include adjustable vibration levels, turbo functionality, customizable dead zones, RGB lighting effects, and rear paddle support. TT Max, providing extensive control customization for competitive play. TT Max versus TT Pro. While both models share core performance features, the TT Max offers enhanced customization options such as interchangeable joystick caps, selectable D-pad modes, 4-way or 8-way, motion aim assist on PC, and expanded paddle and vibration controls. The TT Pro focuses on essential performance features while maintaining the same high precision, TMR joystick technology, and low latency wireless connectivity.